Test 1, 2, 3. Ah, there we go. We just had a Microsoft Windows update or something like that. It messed up so many of my properties. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? Do you like that Ethereum close? I think people are prematurely getting too excited about Ethereum close, man. People are looking at this. People are looking at this. I'm gonna show you what people are looking at. Like this. This is what people are looking at. Maybe something like this. And there are two problems. Number one, first of all, we don't have daily close yet in, right? And the second one is this one over here. You can see the line over here. We haven't broken this all-time high here, so I wouldn't call it go 100x long on Ethereum just yet, you know. But we are close. We are close. We are close. We are very close. Let's see who's up. The first guy, Till Risa. Hi man, what's up? Ryan, yo, hi man. Shan, love the music. Thank man. I just found something that hasn't any copyright strikes or claims or something like that. So that's for playing now. Kevin says, hey man, how you doing? Man, I love your channel. Thanks for all your help and views on certain graphs. Everyone says, I appreciate it, man. I can only make so many videos a day, you know, because after you can make like 2-3 videos, but you know, we don't hear you. Yeah, my mic wasn't working, but I hope it's working now. I hope it's working now. Let me pump up like this, maybe better. Shan says, let's make money. Yeah, I don't think you're gonna make any money in Ethereum right now. Soon, not right now. Not yet close. We're gonna watch the daily close in 15 minutes and see what's happening. I love the energy. Thanks, man. Is this the April Fool's Easter? I don't get it. Is this an April Fool? I don't know. Maybe. I was wondering if BTC valuation is likely to start moving up. I think the time came. Yeah, we're gonna check that. Is your intro for your videos pre-recorded? The intro itself is pre-recorded. The sound is not. I had the one like sound on it, but then I tried to mix it up and then I just put it as we go. Okay, so ETH BTC. Let's check ETH BTC. ETH BTC. I'm gonna look at the weekly chart, maybe monthly chart. We're getting monthly close now. In 50 minutes, we're getting monthly close. Isa says, "Be pro price prediction." Yeah, I was thinking his sound is different every time. Yeah. People seem to like it, so I just keep on doing it, you know. It really doesn't matter what kind of intro it is, as long as people don't click away after 2 seconds. And we got our first donation. It's super chat. Everyone says, I always watch all your videos. Thanks for your help to everyone. I hope your channel will grow huge. Wish you the best. Man, thank you for the $5. I appreciate it very much. You know, small channel is growing. We got things happening, so it's nice. It's nice. That's the only thing I can do, you know. That's the only thing I know how to do. It's technical analysis. I cannot advise you on investments, what you're gonna invest in or something like that, but I can do analysis, and I'm pretty good at it. I think so. I think I'm pretty good at it. I'm understanding more every day. So right now it looks like it is going up ever since January versus BTC. If you guys gotta, wow, this was too chill, man. Let's see. I'll just put next one. If you guys want to see some altcoins technical analysis or something like that, just pop it down in the chat. I don't mind. Basically, we're just waiting for the monthly close over here. And see what's gonna happen. And since this is amazing, nobody spam me like do this, do that. Okay, let's do something interesting. What's interesting? What are people talking about? Hello Tia for FXS. Somebody was asking for B Pro or something like that. Was B Pro? I don't know what this is. Versus Tether, it went up this weekly, having some kind of correction right now, and the daily. Let's see the daily. It's down to 50. Gonna get cross soon. Looks nice. I don't know what this is, but let's just look at it like this. Yeah, B Pro is going higher, man. I don't know what this is. If music is too loud, just tell me to slow down, because to me it seems like it's too high. Maybe something like this. This might be better. I do not know much, but Tron is making a statement. Man, did you see my Tron video? I made Tron video like 3 days ago, something like that. Wait. It was... where was Tron video? Just a second. I'm just gonna find my stuffs. Just a second, guys. Just a second. Videos. There we go. See here, this video over here. This is my Tron video. I made it before Tron went ballistic. But nobody, it got 1.2k views, but it was 5 days ago I made Tron video, because I saw it's supposed to, you can watch the video, it's very nice. It had this bullish engulfing candle, it got back above all the moving averages, it was looking primed for popping out. But when I try to make these videos that haven't popped out yet, they kind of perform badly, so I don't do it. I just do Cardano, BitTorrent, like Cardano, BitTorrent, then Holochain, Cardano, Holochain, whatever gonna be giving me views, you know. My opinion on Dogecoin. What's my opinion on Dogecoin? I was waiting for breakout and then never breakout. The Dogecoin is a pump and dump, you know. It's well, mostly pump in the bull market. Where is my Dogecoin? Here's Doge. Yeah, I was actually waiting to break out here, somewhere around here. It was looking nice, and then it suddenly just did not wanna break out. So it was looking something like this, right? And I was waiting for it to break out around here, but the breakout never came. It's now going down. But you can see the Doge, it goes like in phase, like it like pumps and then nothing, pumps and then nothing. So next time it's gonna pump and then nothing forever. So basically you don't wanna hold this area here. You just wanna be for the move. So when you see the move starting, you get in and then get out. That's what I think about Doge, because this is like waste of time. Falcon, no, I haven't done to buy Falcon, but a lot of people talking about Falcon. Why it's not on Binance? File Tether. Wow, that's crazy. What's that? Only 7x, but 7x since February. Why doesn't this Filecoin? How long has Filecoin been around? Filecoin. Let's see. Maybe this is UOB. Maybe OKX. December 24. It's a little more than Filecoin. Bing Bog. Yeah, this is probably the longest there is. What I think about Filecoin, let's see what I think. It's above all the moving averages on all time frames, so it's a strong uptrend, however you look at it. the RSI is at around 90, so it might be hitting some kind of tops right now. I'm waiting for correction. Weekly is at 90. It doesn't mean it's gonna have the top right now, but it's getting up there. It's getting up there. Let's see if we can draw some nice meme lines up here. Something like this. It's gonna probably use this one. Yeah, this one is nice. So here this wick, the wick, and then the wick down. So it bounced off the lines. When it broke, it bounced off the line. Is there something else up here? I mean, these are just perfect lines, don't you think, guys? These are perfect lines. Like, I never saw it of altcoin before, but you use this wick over here, you use this wick over here, and you will get this wick over here. That's perfect here, man. And then look at this wick, and then on the wick down, almost wicked it, almost exactly at the point. Like, it's beautiful. That's why I like technical analysis, man. Sometimes it's just beautiful. These lines become very, very nice. So basically went up, retest, went up, retest, now went up, and I don't see the third. I don't see the third move. Third move up is maybe something like this. Let's see on the bottom side what we have on the bottom side. Where is the support? This is support. So basically when this line is broken, it's gonna be GG, maybe. I don't think so. But if you're gonna correct it, it might correct down to this line. So what are moving averages for this right now? Way down there. I don't know, man. It looks like it's a strong uptrend, but maybe some kind of small sideways movement or something like that. And I comment on comments. Thanks, man. I appreciate your comment on comments. It helps the channel. It helps the YouTube algorithm. Perp, what do you think? Perp. I heard about perp. Let's see. Perp. It started on March, 19 March. It's new thing, right? Or not? Maybe I haven't heard that much about it. It's probably not. See here, this from FTX. Let's use this chart over here. It's actually nothing happening on this chart over here. This is daily. Perp. Maybe okay. Perp protocol. So FTX. This is USD. Yeah, this is best. Nah, nothing's happening on perp, man. It got bullish cross over here on the daily. That's a good thing. Weekly we got nothing. Daily, weekly. Here's the good thing on the weekly. It's we are crossing this. This haven't closed. This candle haven't closed on the weekly. On the next Monday, if we close above on perp, above this level over here 8, then I think it might have a chance to go higher. It did cross. You see here. Crossed above here, went back, retested the support, and now it's going back higher up. So around 8. Yeah, it's looking good, but nothing is decisive right now. That this time, huh? Yeah. I don't know how long this is gonna take. What's the day? Days Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So 4 days left. 4 days. Maybe even goes all the way up here to these tops over here, and then continues higher. I don't know. I don't know if you're gonna get in this week or next week on this, but I don't know what it is. It's sideways movement right now. Sideways movement. You educate me and I got 1000. What? Yeah, I did. Adam needs to have people to stop selling. I don't know. Ada is gonna have a hard time now that that Ethereum is pumping real hard. Let's go back to Ethereum and watch this monthly close. And monthly close on Bitcoin is in green. Look at this monthly close on Ethereum, man. It's insane. This monthly close on Ethereum is insane. You know the FUD on this in February. It was when we got this close, right? Everybody was saying that this February monthly close looks exactly like this one, and this was the top of the bull market. I don't know if you guys remember that, but I do. Everybody was saying this candle over here, exactly like this candle over here, and that's why we have finished with the bull market. And then look at this. Let's go back to Ethereum and see what's happening. Ethereum. Let's look at monthly close on Ethereum. It's extremely nice. Are you charting coins any tons on mana? Yeah, I was thinking about doing mana. If I didn't, I think maybe I did mana as well. I have it here. Where's my mana? Somewhere down here. Matic. I have too many coins over here, man. I just do it list mana. Decentralized. Man, these. Yeah, it's going through a correction right now on mana. It's just pumped too hard, too fast. Let's remove it. Daily. Yeah, it's still going through correction, I think. Yeah, it didn't get back too much. 50 on the weekly. Weekly is only down by to 80. This is 65 correction down here. Now it's down 85. Maybe it's, I don't think the correction is just quite finished yet. So maybe mana is not the best thing to do right now. Tron popping off. Yeah, Z Richards, Tron is popping off. I just showed the Tron video. Yeah, I have Tron video I made. Let's look a quick at Tron before we get the candle. Where's the Tron? T-Rex. Here's the Tron. Tron is up 40% today. So I made the Tron video on the around, where do I make it? Where do I make my Tron video? Why is this chart not the same? Oh yeah, these are two different charts. This is Binance chart, Tron, and this is the Huobi chart. And I used Huobi chart to make the analysis on. I didn't use the Tron chart, but this one slowly went down and then went right back up again. You can see here 1 2 3 4 days, but I was using this chart when I was charting the Tron, right? And I loved this drop over here when it dropped all the way below this 20 moving average and then popped back up again. I said, and this was engulfing a bullish candle, and I said, yeah, this is gonna go higher. And on this candle, I make actually predictions that the Tron is actually super bullish right now, super bullish, and it's gonna go higher. And then started going higher, and then it came first to this target over here at 73, and then I commented, I think today's Patreon video here said 0.73 it's gonna hit and stop here, and then it had some. I think we can see that on the 4-hourly. Yeah, you can see the 4-hourly. It's so nice. You can see on the 4-hourly it went all the way exactly to the line. 2 times, 2 times, and 3rd times it broke it, and now it went all the way up to the next line, 0.096 line. So you see these lines, these resistance lines, they're easy to draw. When you know where to look, they're easy to find. So you know where the targets are gonna be. It's perfect. I don't know if there was anything here, but the 0.96 was actually the target. So now we hit actually the target, so I'm not quite sure what's gonna happen now, but we are quite extended right now on the okay, let's go back and see what's happened on the Ethereum. We got just week monthly close. There you go. This oh my god, it just popped up. Did it just pop up? Weekly, daily. Yeah, it went from 1990 to 9031 in a minute, I think. Let's look at 5-minute chart. Yeah, let's look at 1-minute chart. I think it in 1 minute. Look, look at this. People just bought this all right up. Still keeping buying. Pundi X Union Cake. What do you think? I like cake. Uni, I haven't checked in a while. Aaron says he got Ethereum. Nice. Hey, what do you think about the new Launchpad project on Binance? I haven't heard about a Launchpad project, man. Wow, this music is gonna kill me. Sushi, what do you think about sushi? I like sushi, but it's kind of been underperforming lately, so I'm actually waiting for sushi to pop real hard, man. Because what I like about sushi is weekly. Look, weekly. Wow, the lines. Let's just remove the lines. Weekly. I like that it's below the 10 moving average on the weekly. So what I'm looking now for the sushi, if it's this is a weekly, so you still got like 4 days left to go. So what I want the sushi to do is get back above the 10 moving average on the weekly, and it's gonna be nice. If he does that, it's gonna be super nice. So you see here it's being pushed down. Sushi is being pushed down right now hard. Let's see here. Yeah. So I won't get into sushi now. It just look, if this closes below the 10 moving averages, it's bad. Unless we get some kind of bottoming pattern, but I think in 4 days it can get above the 15. That would be nice. Draz says, hello, great channel. Thank you, man. What do you think about BTT? What I think about BTT, I think I forgot to get into the BTT when I was supposed to get into BTT. That's what I think about BTT. I was looking at, let's go to daily. I was looking down here and I was thinking to get in and I didn't get in. But you can watch my last channel. It does what we said in the last video. It does the exact same thing as Holochain. It goes up 1, 2, 3, and then we are waiting for pop off here at 4. And you can see Holochain did the same thing. So excuse the lines, but it is something like 1, 2, 3, and then 4. It went up. So if the history is repeating itself, that might actually happen again. Hopefully that's gonna happen again. That's the plan. So, you know, but BTT, I've been covering BTT for a while now, so there are quite a few videos. Yeah, but basically it's this rising wedge or whatever it is, and should pop out. My target was actually 0.68 when it was down here. So if it's gonna hit it or not, this music, man, is killing me. Let's try find something better. Audio library. Let's go back to the audio library. Is there something like angry music, sad music, free music, aesthetic, chill, background music? Maybe that's good. That's the thing. Okay, let's do this. You know, music affects the mood. What about AVAX? It should pump soon. At least I thought about a week ago. Yeah, that's the thing with the coins, man. You're like, yeah, it should pump soon, and then like you're waiting and holding it for weeks and weeks on end. So this is AVAX, yeah. Is this the full chart of AVAX? That's what AVAX. Music may be too loud. AVAX. That's what do we got? We got a hobby. Maybe it's hobby is better. No. Okay, Ethereum. Okay, Kickstarter. No, it's the same. I think all are the same. Bitcoin, Ethereum. This is Bitfinex. It's not gonna be. It's gonna probably be this one. Okay, let's look at the AVAX. Let's see what AVAX is giving us. Think twice. Thank you for the live stream. You're welcome, man. I was just I slept early today, so I woke in the middle of the night, so why not? What's your view on Atom going to 37? We can check Atom in a second. Let's do this, man. Let's do AVAX. Let's see how AVAX is performing. Yeah, it broke this. AVAX broke this rising, so it's some kind of. Now it's in correction phase, right? Because it broke the trend. I'm wondering if this is parallel. No, it's not parallel line. So basically it's gonna be something down here. It's not gonna be this one. Maybe it's gonna be, because this already broke, so it's still going down. So it did it twice down. And then you have something like this, where it's finding support. But this is gonna act as a resistance later on, so let's keep that. But the top over here should actually, because these tops are not actually, the blow-off tops are not actually being used, so nah, I probably look something like this on this. Maybe something like this. Let's look at the moving averages, how this is working out. Just hovering around the moving average, holding the 10 moving average. It went below the moving averages, now it's holding the 10. That's daily. Weekly, sitting on the 10 moving average. It looks nice though. So it's sitting on the 10 moving average on the weekly, which is very nice because you want to be as close to the 10 moving average as possible. You can see here it went like it went way too above the 10 moving. Look where the 10 moving average was, all the way down at 13 when it was at 64. So it went down to 27, and the moving average, the 10 moving average got up to the 27. So they are in the same area right now, right? So this is actually sitting very good. Maybe I should start doing AVAX videos on YouTube, man. This is looking nice. So let's look at the daily. I like that on the daily it got above the 10 moving average, but the 20 and the 50 is right above it. So what I wanna see on the daily, it's move above these two moving averages, right? So I want to be above the moving averages before I become bullish on this. But it looks nice right now because it's above the 10 moving average. It gets support on the 10 moving average as well. So let's see, there is no bullish cross on the daily. What's happening on the weekly? There is nothing on the weekly. Oh, look at the RSI on the weekly is at 63. That's beautiful, man, because here it went all the way up to 94, now to 64. Yeah, AVAX is gonna pump soon, man. AVAX is gonna pump soon. What do you want to look for? Because there is no bullish cross over here. There is no bullish cross over here. Weekly is looking perfect, moving averages wise. So what do you want to look for on the AVAX is this triangle over here, because it's a long triangle. So it's either this triangle or this triangle over here. One of these two is correct one. I mean, it's up to discussion, right? But one of these two is correct one. The only thing you want to look for is this move over here above this moving averages. You want to see the price go above the red line, the 20 moving average, and then above the 50 line, and then climb them upstairs. But it looks like this is primed for a move higher. And also you want to look for on the daily to get this bullish cross like this when it starts going green. Once those two things happen, I think this is gonna go very high. How high it's gonna go, we are not doing any price prediction, but it looks good, man. AVAX is looking good. BTT, you want to see BTT? I'm doing like daily BTT videos, and you want to see BTT. What do you want to know about BTT, man? I just said BTT. It's going up, sideways, up, sideways, up, and now we're going sideways, and hopefully next move after that will be on the upside. There you go. Yeah, you should just. I said the same thing about I mean, this can go, of course, down as well, because this is a rising triangle. But we are thinking it's gonna do the same thing that whole chain did. The whole chain did the exact same thing. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, and then it popped on the 4. Whole chain did exactly the same thing. So I'm thinking, this might do the exactly same thing, because usually these patterns follow each other in crypto. Why? I don't know. Tiran Zen and XRP, por favor. I don't know what Zen is. XRP, we can take a look at XRP. I haven't looked at XRP in a while. Where's my XRP? There you go. I need to clean this up. I have no clue what this was. It looks like this is up here 0.30, 63, 90, 60, some kind of resistance. XRP, man, XRP. Well, the first thing you can notice on the XRP is this bottom line of support. If it breaks that one, you're kind of you are in the bad mood. So XRP is gonna break out soon. It has to do something. It has to break on the downside or on the upside, because you can see these stops. It's hitting some kind of resistance up here. Maybe you can get a little more exact lines on this, because it does look nice. I haven't checked it in a while, so let's see what we can get out of this. Let's use magnet for this. Popped up here, popped down there, maybe something like this. Then it should be like this, maybe something like this. Yeah, it's pretty decent line. Let's look at another line. This one over here, but then it used this one. Maybe. Or maybe all the way up here. It won't be this one. It won't be this one either. Then it should be this one and this one at least. Maybe this one over here. Okay, let's go to daily and see what's happening on daily and see which one is actually the correct one. So this is the top. Hits all this top. Yeah, something's gonna happen soon with this. Yeah, XRP, guys, something's gonna happen. Maybe I should do a video on XRP. Something is definitely gonna happen, something with XRP. Which way do you guys think this is gonna go? Oh, look at this. Oh, this is gonna go on upside. It's gonna break on the upside. Let's look at a MACD bullish. 60 weekly, 59. Oh man, XRP is gonna go crazy now. 56, it was all 60. Do you guys see what I'm seeing? Let's look at all the time frames. 4 hourly, above all the moving averages. 1 hourly, above all the moving. XRP looking super bullish right now, guys. I don't know why. XRP looking super bullish. What we wanna do now, it's let's do some kind of resistance line. This is top, so it broke this this monthly chart. Oh yeah, because yeah, it looks super bullish. This is monthly close. We got actually monthly close super. See this top over here, this is resistance we have to break on next on the monthly, so this is at 0.66, that's fine. Now this one over here got broken with this candle over here, so that's broken, that's why we have bullish. It looks like it's gonna a little bit back down again, but I don't think that's gonna hold. So that's fine. So we got this resistance up here now. This one is broken down here, that's the same one, now it's broken up here. You see here, it went all the way exactly at the top. I don't know if you guys find this very interesting or not, but these things looks very nice. So we're just gonna see where we are at now. We are at below this line over here. So you got this resistance up here. This is gonna act as a resistance channel, right? It's gonna go. There are too many resistance on the way up. Anything below this line over here and here, I think. That's the resistance area. That's the resistance area, because you're gonna go hit these bottoms over here, the top over here, and then there is a bottoms top over here. But once it's out of this area over here, it should do nicely. So what I'm predicting right now, it's gonna go on the upside, go all the way up to this resistance line. It might have actually some kind of trouble over here. And then after that, if it can manage to get above the resistance up here, then the next move should be after that all the way up to the 1.9 or 2 or whatever that's. up there. Was that weekly or monthly? No, it's monthly close. Weekly close is all the way up there. Something like this. So basically these are the moves for XRP. Yeah, it looks very nice. I'm gonna do an XRP video tomorrow, man. Safe Moon. Safe Moon. Yeah, let's look at Safe Moon. Give me just a second, I just have to pop it out. Safe Moon, crypto, Safe Moon. Did you guys know that I made a video about Safe Moon and it was disliked so much that I removed the video? Let's see, 24-hour chart. Please don't forget about Atom. This is 24. Let's look at 1 hourly chart. Do you know, guys, what I did about Safe Moon? So here's the story about Safe Moon. This is the chart. This is Safe Moon chart. So here's the story about Safe Moon. Here's the story about Safe Moon. I did a Safe Moon video around here or here, something like that. I don't remember, right? And I can we see where's my Safe Moon video? It's not here. It's not here. It's not here. So because I removed the video, I made the Safe Moon video. I sat here and I told everybody this is a pump and dump. It can go up fast and it can go down fast. And I also bought 500 at 0.7. I bought 500 down here, right? For $500. It was my play money. I'm just gonna put it and forget about it. And if I lose everything, I'm gonna lose everything, you know. So I made the video and it was disliked so much that I had to remove the video. You know, and I told people like pump and dumps and Ponzi's are a good thing. You know, if you get in early, you can make a lot of money and stuff like that. But you know, it was disliked so much. So it went from where I bought to the top. It went almost 7 times, right? It's not much. It's 7x, right? It's perfectly fine. The thing is, after it got up to the top, I didn't sell, and it started going down. It got down here, and then I sold. Because I was thinking like Bitcoin is gonna start going up, and then usually these games die out once you are past some kind of downtrend or something like that, you know. And I thought this maybe died out because I wasn't in Hodge and I get in Safe Moon, you know. So I thought and then it did this move up here. But I'm not sorry, you know. I don't care. It was my play money. I should have probably just thrown it away. So thing is, this can actually go like even higher from the over here, right? It can go something like really high, whatever, you know. But I am always telling people like it's a pump and dump. Sooner or later people are just gonna sell everything. It's gonna go down to zero. But thing is, you never know when it's gonna go to zero, you know. That's the thing about these pump dumps. You never know when it's gonna go to zero. No, I don't have any bags, man. I sold down here. I bought here, and I sold here. So I think I had a loss by 25%, but I was like, I don't want to do this anymore, and I just sold it. But yeah, it can go higher. This is Safe Moon, man. These pump and dumps, man, they are extreme. Hello, good sir. Could you please have a close look on Cardano and a prediction for the next 48 hours? Cardano, we are doing daily Cardano videos, man. Daily Cardano videos, daily. But yeah, let's look at the Cardano video before I make the. Let's remove this over here. Did Cardano get above the resistance up here? No, it didn't. I'm just gonna keep. No, Cardano is not doing anything. Oh, 17, let's put this one. You can see here, this yellow area up here, that's the resistance area that we have to get above it. I just made a video today and saying, look at how important the resistance is. It went above the resistance, below the resistance, above the resistance, below the resistance, and then when it tried 2 times, like, thought like, this is not working, let's go back. And it went back. So now it's kind of playing down here between the 115 line and the resistance. And sooner or later it has either go up below this or above this. That's what's happening. So we are just in a like sideways trade range and looking what's actually gonna happen. But we are above the 20 moving average on the daily, so above the 50 moving average. Basically we are looking for this triangle over here. It's big triangle, still not got it. We're getting into the corner, but we are not there yet. So basically it's happening, nothing is happening with triangle. Chilies, buy more. Why would you buy chilies, man? Is it time? Is it time to buy chilies? I told people that this is the top on the chilies, man. I made a video. I said, guys, this is the top. People don't believe me. No, man, I'm gonna downvote your video. I don't remember what I said actually. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Let's check my chilies video out. Chilies at the crossroads. Yeah, this is it. This is 3 days ago. Did I do chilies 3 days ago? Let me just see. Nah, this isn't. This is 1 hourly. This is daily. No, it was before that. It was before that. Let's see. Cardano, Bitcoin, Cardano. Where's my chili video? It was a long time ago. I did chili and I told people here. I think urgent mass to all chili hoarders. This one. So right now, I told you that. Wait. You can also look at this as this 4 hourly is there. There's daily. 0.59. 0.59. Yeah. It was the last move though. It was the last move. 0.59. So I told people 0.59 up here that it was getting over, and it went from 59 all the way up to 1. So it had a 40% up, so I can't blame it. But it was on the same day. It was on the same day, and after that it was correction. So the last move, it's pretty okay. It's pretty decent prediction, because it was 59. It was down here, right? 59. It did go further up. It closed at 72, and then after that it just kind of died out. But I knew the top was in. I knew the top was gonna be in that day. Guys, too many coins to do. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna do this. If you need analysis on alts, super chat any amount to skip the line and make me talk about it. There you go. If you want altcoin technical analysis, because there are a lot of things to cover, I'm gonna get to a coin, but if you just want to skip everybody, you know, like $1 is $1, $0.5 is $0.5, and I'm gonna do your stuff. The graph and atom. Somebody's been asking about atom, so let's do atom first. Atom, maybe this one, Cosmos. Is this entire? It's very important to have entire trading. This is May 2019. Atom. May 2019. Is May 2019 the start of this thing? Huobi. May 2000. Yeah, May 2019 maybe. Okay, let's do atom. This looks like some kind of correction phase right now. We are waiting for pop, right? David Shibans. Yeah, it's okay, man. Just post. Maybe I will come to your coin. Maybe I'll come to your coin. I just got so much time, you know, and I remember first live stream I was trying that, just like plot through everything, all the coins, right, all the altcoins. People are spamming coins, and I just didn't feel like after the live stream I was kind of tired, didn't want to do any more live streams, you know. So now, like, I'm gonna chill, I'm gonna pick something from the chat, I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna use my time to do like decent technical analysis, you know. So if I miss some coins, I'm sorry guys, but if you really want it, like, super chat, and I'm gonna do it. So Atom, you can see this line over here. It's using it as a perfect support. I love lines, man. I love these very nice lines. Maybe something like that down here. It's gonna hit it there. I'm a sucker for lines. I'm a sucker for lines, man. In technical analysis, if you can draw nice lines, you are like 50% there. If you want to be good at technical analysis, you need to find these lines, man. You need to be able to see them right away. It helps so much. You can see over here, this was some kind of bottom, some kind of support, right? And when it broke that support down here, it was using a resistance, right? And once it broke the resistance, it was using a support as again. It's just beautiful line, but the thing is, this is an unimportant support line. We are not expecting to go all the way down to 5.3. I mean, in a bear market, you can probably get it down there, but you don't want to look at it right now. Right now, this line over here is a very important line, and there is another line that's very important, and that's this one up here. You can see it. You see it now, but I think this more like should be more like. You cannot do it like this. Maybe 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Then I don't think that's gonna go that far. I think this is some kind of channel, rising channel, right? Yeah, that might be it. Bottom, top. Yeah. Here's a pro tip for you guys. When you find a nice line, you can use this to find the channels. You can see the bottom here, how it acts as support, and this acting as resistance. So this might be it. Next target when it starts going up should be around this line up here, before it actually pops all the way up there. But let's see, just okay, so now we know, like, ballpark area. Also you can see these tops over here and these bottoms down here, maybe all the way down there. Yeah, it's not playing as it's supposed to play out. Something like this at the top. Yeah, let's keep this line as well, because it's nice. Because it's nice. Nice lines get we keep the nice lines. We keep the nice lines. So let's go down to the daily chart and see what actually we can get out of these this pattern. So this goes up, this goes down. So probably something like this. We already got this. Let's look at the moving averages now. Daily doesn't actually look. It's getting support on 20, but if it's break the 20, it can go down. What do you want to see on the daily? You want to see it above these moving averages, 10, 20, and 50. You want to see it above 19.9, above Atom, 19.9. Preferably out of triangle, but it's gonna take a while before it gets out of triangle. So this isn't in play just yet. Let me just look at a weekly chart, because we are above all-time high. Yeah. So right now we broke this resistance. We are looking for to break this one over here and this one over here. So you got the two targets over here. This one, there you go. Yeah, that's basically it. So on the weekly chart, you want to get above both of these two levels, preferably above this one as well. So the timing is over here. Once we are above over here, and if we close above the 21, so when is that? That's 8th April. Yeah, sometime about around 8th April, maybe not 8th April. Yeah. Anyways, you got these two resistance lines at 20 and 21.5. 20.5 to 21.5, that's resistance lines. So you want to get above those two runs. So you want to get out of this triangle over here, and you also want to keep above the moving averages. The bullish cross is not yet in. It's looking like it wanted to do bullish cross over here. It just didn't. It's just not ready. But everything else looks fine. I think 40 on 17 weekly RSI and daily is down at 40. This is a very good sign though. This RSI, that's 39 RSI down here. So basically, I think it bottomed down here at 30 RSI, right over here. I think that was the bottom, and now it's starting to climb. So I think this might actually pop out, but when it's popping out, it's not quite yet. Not quite yet. So that's gonna take a while. That's gonna take a while. So let's see the price. Sorry, not this one. Down here, so it breaks out. Oh, it's perfect. Look at this. What I tell you? So basically, when it breaks out of the triangle, if it breaks out here where these supports are, it's gonna go all the way up to this midline up here. Did I tell you? And the triangle confirms it. So let's read a little bit chat, man. Can BTT fall back at next time? Yeah, BTT can fall back. BTT can do anything it wants to do. You know, technical analysis is not precise analysis. We just have probabilities to go up or down. Right now, the probability is to go up, but it can it can go down as well. So you always have to watch what's gonna happen. Especially in the bull market, probabilities are on the upside. So we are actually expecting this to break on the upside. But yeah, it can go down as well, but probability is on the upside. Excellent needs to start pumping, like what the heck, right? I don't know, man, I haven't been full. I know the guy called Jordan, what's his name? Jordan Camirand. Yeah, this guy, he does a lot of XRP, man. This guy. He, I think he was doing XRP before he checked. There is XRP, so tight. He was. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to today's second video. And in today's second video, we're gonna take a look at. I don't know how good he is, but I know he does Stellar all the time, you know. So if you want to check his Stellar videos, maybe that's something for you. Also, he's a small channel. I started watching when he did like 10k views, subs. So you wanna support him? Go give him a sub, man. Go give him a sub. Thanks, brother. Do you have any book recommendations for learning technical analysis? No, but I'm gonna put out how to do technical analysis videos on my Patreon, so that might be something you want to check out later. I haven't started with it yet, but I'm getting to there. I didn't learn my technical analysis from books. I just saw what other people are doing. Especially I was very interested, like, okay, I know what crypto people are doing about technical analysis, but what are like hedge funds technical analysis doing with this, like big guys, Wall Street guys, and they're basically doing the same thing and even worse than the crypto guys. And then you figure out what some good guys are doing, what some bad guys are doing, like how they do their technical analysis. And you kind of figure things out. So all of that figuring out, I'm gonna put out, and I'm gonna take some money for that. But yeah, now I don't have any book recommendation. You just like watch a lot of YouTube videos. Try to, you know what's nice? Trying to make these trend lines, man. Just try to draw the nicest trend lines you can possibly draw. And look at how many hits you can get on the line. The more hits you can get, the better you are doing. Like, that should be the thing. Also try to find the triangles, patterns. Patterns in technical analysis are very important, very, very important. If you want to learn patterns, there's a guy called Crypto Anub. This guy over here. This guy, guys, is very, very, very good with patterns, okay? This guy is very good, Crypto Anub. Crypto Noob. If you go to his channel, sub to his channel right now, he does only Bitcoin videos and Ethereum videos. He is very good with patterns. You can see here So you can learn a lot about patterns and stuff like that from this guy over here, and you will see how important patterns are. So this guy over here, go and sub to him, and you're gonna love his channel. I don't think a lot of people know about this guy. Go there right now, sub to his channel. You need this. This guy, I don't know if you watching the MM Crypto or the Moon guy. They have their thing, you know. But this guy over here is actually legitimately decent pattern analysis. Do this. You can learn a lot from this guy. Just this guy, okay? Good. You just sub, good. Everybody sub to this guy. I don't think he has like 48k, 45k subs, but this guy is very good. You wanna listen to what this guy has to say. And that's basically how you do tech analysis. You just figure it out little by little. I'm gonna give you a very good tip for learning tech analysis. Any indicator doesn't, let's say something has 50% chance to go up, right? 50-50. Now since it's in bull market, let's say everything has 50% chance to go up. Sorry, 50% chance to go up. Now since it's the bull market, you give it plus 5%. So now you got 55% chance to go up, okay? So next thing is, for example, you are MACD is bullish, so you give it plus 5%, plus 5%, right? So now suddenly you have 60% going up, right? And you continue doing that with RSI, with this, with that. You go just like plus 5%, plus minus 5%, and that's probability. So basically, you got some kind of probability on upside or downside. Okay, so let's see what other people are been asking for. I thought X wanna bang. I just watched. What's happening with Ethereum, by the way? 23, yeah. I don't think this is gonna hold. I'm telling you guys, I think people acted prematurely on to this because it did not break all-time high over here. It went just below it, but it can. This is on the daily. It's on the daily. Let's look at Ethereum right now again. This line is not broken. This line is not broken. Then you should do it like this. Maybe it is broken, maybe it's not broken. Let's look at it. This weekly candle is not over here yet. This is the target actually. That's at 1932. When it breaks on the weekly, 1932, so next Monday, if it breaks over above here, then I'm gonna be super bullish. But I'm not super bullish on Ethereum just yet. But it looks good. I cannot complain. It looks very good. Cardano looks, sorry, Ethereum looks very good. But if you draw it like this, but then I want to use this wick down here, not actually. Then I don't want to use this wick up here. I want to use the lesser wick, so it actually broke it. The way I see it, it broke it. Here's another tip I'm gonna give you that a lot of people are not saying anything. You see these wicks over here? So basically you got 1, 2, 3 top wicks, and here you got wait, let's do it like this. You got 1 wick, 2 wicks. So you got these 2 wicks over here, and you got 3 wicks over here. One. Let's put a little bit up like this so you can see better. You got this wick over here, and you got this wick over here. Okay, so basically you got these 3 wicks and you got these 2 wicks. So now the question comes, how you gonna draw the trend line? You can use the top wick with the top wick. Most people do this, and that's very, very wrong on so many cases. and that's why people get burned when they have to figure out when something is gonna pop out, because these big wicks usually are very wrong, because people get too enthusiastic about stuff and they just pump it up too much, and then the price retrace back. So they can be very faulty wicks short term. Usually what I've noticed, this is no book is gonna tell you this, is you're not using the top wicks up here, you're using the top candles, but you're using the lesser wick. So top candle, sorry, not this one, this is top candle, these two are top candles, but you're not using the top wick, you're using the smaller wick, why, I do not know. And no technical analysis book will tell you this, but as you use it, or a lot of times, you're gonna notice that they are indeed the right wicks to use for whatever reason. And sometimes this can also be the right wick thing. So you have to have all the possibilities in the book. You can see here that actually maybe it broke it down here. That's why we are pumping it right now. Right. So that can be a thing. But then it should be like this and not like this. So let's see if this. Let's remove everything up here and see if this doesn't. Maybe this is the triangle. Maybe that's why we pumped up here. Maybe this is over. But then. Maybe that's it. Maybe you're done. Maybe out of it. But then I'm looking at this triangle, and this triangle is not finished. So question is this the right triangle that people are looking at? Or is this one the right triangle, right? Because this one did not cross over here, but it is doing it now. So it all depends, man. It all depends. How about ontology and Chainlink? Chainlink is dead. I don't know. Chainlink isn't dead, but I given up on Chainlink a long time ago, man. It's just using it pumped really hard. You know, everybody knows the link BTC chart, right? The Chainlink was outperforming just about anything. You know, it was performing just about anything, and then it popped out here, and then we are having this correction versus a Bitcoin. That happened around August. And the bull market started around here. That's where the bull market started, and around August we popped the cherry. So it was outperforming just everything. It was super hold. It was actually the best thing. That's why a lot of people are bag holding right now. They're not bag holding, but they sold and went into something else. So I made videos about Chainlink down here as well. I never bought Chainlink, but I made videos about it. But right now, Link USD. Wow, what kind of music is this, man? We gotta change music. Ethereum. I'm gonna die. This music gonna kill me, man. Let's see, like this. We gotta pick some better music. Romantic music, dramatic music, dark music, calm music, bright music. Bright music is fine. Bright music. Yeah, it's fine. Bright music is fine. Nah, man, Chainlink is Okay, let's look at Chainlink quick and see what's actually happening with Chainlink, because I haven't done it in a while. This is daily. Oh my god, daily just it went bullish. Look at this. I'm telling you, I haven't seen that, but it's above all the moving averages. Let's see if it has it got bullish cross over here, so very good. Bullish cross, you got was well done at 38. Yeah, Chainlink is popping as well. There you go. Yeah, it's gonna have a move up, you know, but when it comes to Chainlink, like, it just, like, look, like, this is a month, entire month to do how much? Okay, 200%, that's actually quite good. So maybe it's gonna do another 200% up here. Chainlink looks good, man. Chainlink good. You got the bullish cross over here. You are only at 55 RSI. Weekly is at 63. 4-hour, sorry, daily moving average is looking exceptionally good. It's above the 10, 20, and the 50 moving average, close above the 50. It's breaking out of this triangle on the upside. Let's look at the 4-hourly. Yeah, Chainlink. I give Chainlink thumbs up. Ryan says, the hour is at hand. Such a great channel, this one. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. BTT $1, 1 euro or more. I cannot give you a long time perspective on BTT, man. I have absolute no clue. It can be $1, it can be $0. I have no clue, man. What about one? Yeah, what about one? Let's see, one. It went below the 10 moving average. It's let me look at let me remove everything. I want to see. No, let's remove everything. It's getting bearish cross over here on the daily, but the weekly is at still 88. It's in correction. I wouldn't do harmony, man. Maybe it's gonna pop out. Maybe I'm wrong, but this bearish cross on the daily is kind of scary, especially if this continues. You can expect, you know, harmony just pumped too much. You know, it has to have some kind of correction. But how long is this gonna take? I don't know. It might do something like this, go down to the 20 moving average and then pop up again. You know, it might go something like this, pop out and go up. But this this cross over here is looking dangerous. But you got also that cross over here as well. The same thing. You can see here there was a cross, so when the price got too high, you got this bearish cross and went up. And the same thing happened here, it went up 20 and up. So that might happen here as well. That might happen here as well. You're getting this bearish cross down here, so it might go something like this and then up again. But how long that's gonna take, I don't know. Probably Ethereum right now is probably better bet than one. Right now, like right this second, so, but in a week or 2 times, who knows. What's happening with Ethereum, man? What's happening with Ethereum? I like Ethereum now, man. Nebel, no pops, Nebel. It's in Binance, so it's good. Where did this pump, man? I see no pump. Look at this wick, man. Look at this wick. Somebody already bought it. You know what I think happened here? I think this is Nebel is low. I don't think there is a lot of liquidity here. So reason for this, I think somebody market bought something a lot, and then it just bought an entire book and just went right back down again and start pumping. But this start pumping in general, man. This has been 600% in 3 months or something like that, so I don't know. Could you work your manage on ontology? $5 from every thanks, man. Thanks for the super chat. Yes, I could do ontology, man. Ontology for you, man. let's look at ontology. I told you, super chat gets you in front of everybody. But right now there's not many people, like, so so you can just post it. You don't have to donate, just post and I'll get to it. Ontology, man. You know about ontology? This is not good ontologies. When you're looking to do technical analysis, you want something that has a lot of history data. April 18th, maybe that's it. Ontology, let's look at ontology, maybe from OKEX. It's the same. Yeah, let's look at use Binance because it's the same. March 19th, yeah. So what are we gonna do? First we're gonna start on the monthly chart and see here. Monthly just closed. It looks very good because you see monthly candle closed above this over here. It's not continuing up. It went from 1.7 to 1.78 right now over here. The next resistance should be around 2.05, and after that we got all the way up to here 7.7. That's all-time high. Let's look at a weekly. Weekly is also exactly there on the dollar that we are hitting right now and breaking. That's the resistance up here. I would say this up here is a resistance as well. Then you got some kind of area of resistance up here. It's gonna be important or not. Let's just put these lines up here, and then you got. I know it's a lot of lines to watch and look at, but it's just the way these things work. And let's make this an area, and let's make this an area as well. Because this is, and then you got the all-time high up here at the top. This is an important one. That's weekly. I'm gonna explain to you what I'm doing. Just a second, because this is important one as well. That's the weekly close, and this is the monthly close. So yeah. Okay, so let's move a few lines so we can see this better. Because down here we just broke that. This is the support. Okay, so this line support, this is the tops over here, and that one over there. So let's make an area up here as well. So you got 3 areas of resistance on the way up to the all-time high. That's down here, that's the second one, and that's the third one. MACD looking good. The it's weekly is a 70, so nothing overbought, but it is starting the run up. Daily 76. MACD, where the MACD cross came? Solar hits slowly, but it's now starting expanding. It's looking good. Okay, so basically, ontology is actually bullish. Let's look at moving averages. Yeah. It's climbing on the 10, it's the 20 and 50 are crossing the 100 moving average. So that's on the weeklies, and that's very good. On the daily, it looks very good because it's climbing all the moving averages. 4 hourly, bullish, 1 hour bullish. So all the time frames are very, very bullish. On the monthly, we just got to cross between 10 and 20 down here, and we are going up. So I'm expecting this continue going up, especially since we broke this on the daily, this all-time high here at 1.14. All-time high was broken at 1.14. That was like 28, like 5 days ago. And we're going up. So we're gonna get the resistance around here at this point. We're gonna get resistance at around 2.4 in this area, between 2.4 and 2.5. We're gonna get resistance up here, but this is right now how we should be looking at it. Let's see if we can draw some nice lines over here, trend lines, because we can see if that's this looks like it's getting some kind of tops up here, but it's not hitting that tops. Yeah, 3. Yeah, it looking is gonna get into resistance area at the same time. I won't say call this. It looks bullish, man. It looks bullish. It looks very bullish. Especially I like that on the monthly you just broke this top over here. That's the most bullish thing right now. That the monthly candle broke this top over here, and the weekly candle right now is above. Weekly candles are actually over here at 1.4, 1.5, 52, 1.52. Let's see. Yeah, you want the weekly candle to be above. Where is it? No, this not. It's up here. So we are breaking the weekly candle at 1.53 right now. So you want to see also this candle if it's gonna hold above this level up 1.53 or not. But yeah, I told you it looks good, man. It's in uptrend right now, strong uptrend. Hope that helps. Thanks for $5, man, or £5. You're welcome. You're welcome, man. 1 inch sauna, yeah, I don't want to talk about 1 inch, man. I'm disappointed in 1 inch. Look at these lines, man. It's not playing out as I want to play out. Man, 1 inch is disappointing. It's gonna pump hard. It's gonna pump hard. It's low cap, man, right now, but it's gonna pump hard. But it's below the 10 moving. If it cannot get above this line of 4.6 this week, I want. It has 4 days, so I think it can do it. It can get above 4.6. I want 1 inch to get above 4.6. If it gets above 4.6, it's good, man. Euros, yeah, sorry, euros. Thanks. So I'm looking for this 4.6 line. That means that on the weekly the 1 inch will be above the 10 moving average and 4.6 above here. If that happens, then I'm gonna be bullish at 1 inch. Yeah. I mean, I'm pretty sure 1 inch is gonna go higher, but right now it's not the time to get into 1 inch because it's so terrible right now. Probably right now the thing to get into is Ethereum. Probably the best thing to get into right now is Ethereum. But weekly Ethereum hasn't closed yet. Look at here. Let me zoom it out so you can see this. So we want Ethereum right now is 131. It just 132. I want Ethereum weekly to close about 132. So it means on Monday, if we are above 1932 on Monday, if we can get this small move up here until Monday, Ethereum is gonna be super bullish. I don't think you guys understand. I'm gonna give you a pro tip right now. Nobody else, no other channel is gonna tell you this. If you wanna be successful in trading cryptocurrency, look at the weekly charts, not the daily charts, not the 4, not the monthly, weekly charts. And you look at these breaks, and then you do the same tech analysis as everything, like support and resistance and like that. But when weekly charts confirm the breakout of resistance, it's super bullish, super bullish. So when this actually happens, that this candle gets above 1932, that's gonna be on Monday. If it gets above 1932 on Monday, super bullish. Question mark, you're trading view or not? This is trading view, man. It's trading view. Let me do like this. Like this. Trading view. These are all my shitcoins that I'm keeping on my watch list. So. Even with big gas fees, or are they sold? I have no clue what's happening fundamentally with 1inch. I just know it's hyped a lot, but the problem are the airdrops, man. People are just selling off. So I think people have to be finished with the sell-offs on the 1inch before this can move higher. But if they continue to do like drops, I don't know, man. I don't know what's gonna happen on 1inch. So let's see what has pumped. Tron is continuing pumping like crazy. 9% there. No, it's -4% today, sorry. How is my cake doing? Cake is not doing that well. Monthly cake there. See here, cake last week came below this level over here, but this week it looks like it's gonna break the level. So one that's broken on Monday, the cake is gonna look good. The cake is real. The cake is real. Did ETH solve its gas issue? I think the ETH gas issues are gonna be solved in June or July or something like that. Yeah, they solved the issues, but they have to implement it. You hold the shitcoins or just the trade them? No, I just trade. The only thing I'm holding is right now I'm actually out of everything. I have zero investment in everything. I tethered up on the drop, and I just sat back and watched. Now I need to buy into something, and I'm like, I think probably I'm gonna buy into the Ethereum soon or something like that, and just hold it there until I find some shit. I was thinking getting into the BitTorrent, but then so maybe I'm gonna wait a little bit and maybe get into BitTorrent over here and then do the move up. Or I was also looking at Hedera hash graph. I was looking at Hedera hash graph, but then it kind of got disappointed up here. I got disappointed here, so I'm not quite sure if I want to get into a Hedera hash graph again, because I was expecting the bullish cross, it never came. Also, I'm looking at cake. And I want to get into cake. So I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do with that. Yeah, but there are so many coins, like you can pick anything you like. But the only thing I'm holding long term is Ethereum and Bitcoin, and not even Cardano. You know, I know a lot of people are Cardano fanboys and stuff like that, but you have to be realistic. The reason Cardano is pumping is because of news and good feel, and all the normies forming in, right? And it can certainly go higher up, but the thing is, Ethereum is where the money is at. You understand? Cardano will never flip Ethereum. So right now, if Cardano goes up, it can go from $1 to $4, and it's gonna be worth as much as Ethereum. So for the way I see it, for Cardano to go from $1 to $2, then the Ethereum has to go from 2,000 maybe to 4,000 or more, something like that. Because I don't think they are worth equal amount. I think ETH is such a extremely above everybody else. There's no way you can flip it. I mean, Visa is using Ethereum blockchain right now. Visa. Mochi swap did 10x since I moved my base from 1inch and then got decided. But essentially better cross-chain DEX. Dude, these swaps are coming up all the time. Mochi swap. I can't find it. I don't like Hawkins hype machine. One has a good chance as its community run project, but Flow and Oasis have the best tech, way better than sharding. You know, I'm gonna tell you something. Right now, everything is overpriced. Right now, we are in the bull market. We are like 50% through the bull market. Everything is overpriced. The thing that's moving, what's gonna go higher or not, is the thing that you're saying right now. Like, oh my, this project got better tech, this project got better wallets, this project got this, that project got that, and that's what's moving the price up. Whether that's true or not, doesn't matter. It only the hype and memes matter. That's why Dogecoin is pumping, because of memes, you know. So right now, the more hype something has, the better. Like ADA has a lot of hype, right? But right now they're kind of losing all the news. All the news are done. So what's gonna happen with Cardano? It's difficult to say. That's why I like technical analysis. Like I don't need to follow the fundamentals of all of the stuffs that's gonna happen. And you can just say, look at what's happening and just get in and get out when you want to get in and get out. But the problem is I don't find this kind of project that do like 100x or something like that, you know. But it doesn't matter. Like 2x, 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 you're gonna get 100x one way or the other. OMI, it's getting listed on Uniswap in a few hours. Is OMI getting listed? OMI. There is no OMI. It's not. How can I do OMI when it's not on TradingView, man? CoinCap, let's do CoinCap. Economy, it's plus 8% today. Well, it started February 17th. Wait, it went from 0.008, now here, 0.002, now 0.01, so 10x, less than 10x. It did 5x. Am I correct? OMI did 5x. Economy, I think he means. Yeah, I know it's Economy, but it's not on Economy. Economy, yeah, it's versus Ether. It's versus Ether. Let's look at 1 hour. What am I gonna do with this? What am I gonna do with this? Maybe you should get it into Economy, guys. Nah, I don't know. No BNB. Yeah, BNB. I just did a video about BNB, man. BNB is doing fine. BNB is doing more than fine. I'm gonna show you what I like about BNB. You see this candle over here? You see this target over here, 295? It broke the 295. See here, these tops over here, it broke it. So Binance chain is again super bullish again. It retested now this resistance 295. Next target is 333. This is the next target for Binance chain. Yes, Economy versus ETH, high risk if ETH pumps. That's true, and ETH is like super bullish right now. I don't think you guys understand how bullish ETH is right now, because I think people have been holding Cardano and stuff are gonna go into the Ethereum right now. That's what I think. But it's super bullish. How's Bitcoin doing today? Plus 0.5%, still keeping going up. Yeah, this is what I was waiting for Bitcoin to do. Look at the Bitcoin. See this top over here? It's breaking it now. So even Bitcoin is gonna go up, man. Even Bitcoin, this is it, man. This is it. We are done with these corrections up here. Now it's moon time. Like, you're gonna go high, man. Next resistance at whatever this is, 66,000, something like that. The big thing is gonna get this 66,000, and then you got this one over here. That's around 82,000, and once these two are broken, it's gonna go extremely high. So it's gonna break this one at 66, this one at 80, something like that, and once that's broken, it's gonna pop hard. It's gonna pop hard. BNB pumping due to Launchpad announcement for holding BNB for 7 days. What's Launchpad, man? I never heard about. BNB Launchpad, what's that? Launchpad subscription format frequently asked questions. How can we participate? Calculate your participation limit, commit BNB, calculation, BNB is from Launchpad tokens. Introducing token crypto, no Launchpad. Let's see. Binance Launchpad. Introducing token crypto on Binance Launchpad. Launchpad. Token crypto. What's token crypto? You know, it's not. It's Launchpad, something that you can start. I still have no clue. What is Launchpad? What is Binance Launchpad? Binance World Launchpad Bitcoin Exchange. What is Binance? Okay, Binance and Binance 5 BNB tokens. Blockchain Cloud X Labs. What is Binance? At the time of writing, Binance Launchpad is successful, launching 24 projects, currently 6 projects. Process according to Binance Launchpad is a severe fit for all holistic support for it comes to supporting blockchain startups. Okay, so it's like yeah. Binance Launchpad, yeah, it's for starting new projects and people can buy and sell. How it works, I'm not quite. Let's David, please check SFP, for example, is the last Launchpad project. I think this this project that start on Binance can actually do quite well because Binance is SF. Is this SFP? Bearish growth incoming weekly, not much to say, but it is above all-time high up here. So what's gonna happen? Too little data. Yeah, Ethereum looking nice. Okay guys, I think that's it, man. I think we killed the stream. Talked about a lot of stuff. Monthly closes, man. Monthly closes are there's not much to say about monthly closes. They just keep rising up. One of my friends, a Chinese friend of mine, said that bull run is finished. Bull run is finished. He said bull run is finished because his Chinese friends are talking about it. Bull run is finished. We talk about here, and I said, I give it a month or two. You're gonna see. It's not finished. It's gonna go higher. Bull run is not finished yet, guys. Yeah, you're welcome, man. Thanks for joining me, Everim. Thanks for joining me, David. Shibanats. Popped to 4.5 in the second day. Yeah, usually when something launches, it can pop both hard. You're welcome, guys. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. It was fun. Maybe another stream another time. Suddenly stream. I never schedule these streams. Suddenly, like if I have time, it's nighttime, something like that. I probably do one. So be sure to check it out. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you around, guys. Don't lose your money, not financial wise. You do your trades, I'll do my trades and all the shebang. Bitcoin getting bullish growth as well. Super bullish. This week is gonna be super nice. So guys, get into something, anything, it's gonna be nice. I don't know if you wanna get in Bitcoin or Ethereum, anything. I think Shibans. Yeah, man. Shibans. Okay, guys, see you around. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.